Our flat is really a mixture of what we really like.
Renting a flat, it is always challenging, but challenging makes it really fun.
We don't really have much furniture, but we try to make things by ourselves.
I'm Hige.
And I'm Watashi from our YouTube channel, Hige to Watashi. Our YouTube channel is about our lifestyle, something like our daily life.
When living in small spaces in the inner city, dust can quickly fill up a tiny space and can carry harmful airborne bacteria.
Govee is all about taking control of the environment in your home.
The Govee Smart Home ecosystem includes their Smart Air Quality Monitor, Smart Air Purifier, Top Field Ultrasonic Humidifier, and their Smart Portable Space Heater. You can use the convenient Govee Home app to automatically monitor and set your desired air quality, temperature, and humidity in your home. The Smart Govee Air Quality Monitor constantly analyzes the air around you and can automatically turn the Smart Purifier on. Once the air is purified, the purifier automatically turns off. Combined with the humidifier, it makes a great combo for Melbourne's dry summers. With Govee, you can personalize and customize each of the parameters so the atmosphere in your home matches your unique and personal style. Govee makes a great gift for Christmas. Find out more by clicking the links in the description. Nice one, Govee.
Our flat is close to central Tokyo. This area is pretty quiet and good residential area, but also we have so many big supermarkets and shopping malls as well.
There are 10 other flats in this block, and this building is about 20 years old.
Our flat is open plan with the loft. Before we used to be in London, and then the flat was higher ceiling. I think we just wanted to have something similar.
It's quite unusual to find in Tokyo. We think high ceilings makes the space bigger. On entering the flat, there is a big built-in storage unit. As we love fashion, we own many shoes.
We found adjustable shoe organizers. We can stack the shoes on top of each other.
In front of the entrance, there's access to our balcony. The balcony space we use for drying our clothes and also gardening. The living room is a space filled with our favorite things. The main feature is all the plants and second-hand apple boxes that we use as shelves. We arrange the bookshelves in L shape so we can feel as if we are surrounded by our favorite books. It's easy to move around so we can change layout whenever we want. We made our own curtains from a simple cotton fabric hung by these metal clips. Because the material is too thin to block the sunlight, we also placed another layer of curtain for some area. In Japan, we have to keep the flat exactly the same condition as we moved in.
Because we couldn't do anything on the concrete wall, we found this wooden stick. We just put the hook in the light that we can now hang something.
As we have so many things in here, we decided not to buy a sofa, but use beanbag chairs instead. They are from Muji, but we didn't like the covers, so we made new ones from a cotton fabric I dyed with coffee.
Our flat has some tiny objects, but most of them we really remember where we get from, what was the story behind.
We have a TV, but we barely use it, so we covered it with the fabric I dyed.
The kitchen is relatively big for a Tokyo kitchen. It has 3 hobs and big sink.
Our fridge is from Muji. The only place we could fit our microwave was above the fridge. It's too high for everyday use, so I made this small stool out of recycled wood. We wanted to separate the kitchen area and the dining space, so we made that kitchen counter. We bought 2 flatpack shelves, and then we added veneer around it and then painted in white.
dining room is the space we spend most of our time.
We chose that table because we love the fact that the wooden top is upcycling material.
I use dining table as a work table sometimes. We have a bench in other side, big enough for 3 people.
Another constraint we had is not being able to paint the stairs. I decided to put our plants on the staircases.
So we actually shift the attention from what we don't like to what we like. In the bedroom, we have most of our clothes and clothes storage as well. We bought double-sized bed from Muji, which has enough space underneath to put some of our camp gears.
Next to the bed, there's a built-in closet.
We needed extra storage, so we brought these containers from Muji and we put the board on top to make a shelf. And also I have my favorite artist Cole's collection as well.
There's also built-in storage on this side of room. We use here for the seasonal items, and in front of that we put 2 racks for our clothes.
To get to the bathroom, we go through this corridor and there is huge storage that we usually put our daily life stuff. On the other side, we have a washing machine with a rack that we can hang the towels.
Inside the bathroom, we have toilet, the sink, and then the big mirror, and the typical type of Japanese bath.
There is a ledge that we could use to put some board to decorate the room.
In a rental space, it's really important to know what's your priority to decide what kind of flat you want to live in.
Whenever we choose some furniture or objects, we care about the height because we care about the space.
There are many ways to make your space really unique to yourself. Enjoy the process, be creative.
Stick with what you like.
Thanks for watching. And if you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.